In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Wrike. We'll walk through a simple example using a campaign brief, but the exact same process applies to pretty much any task, project, or folder in your workspace. By the end, you'll be able to confidently attach files from your computer so your team has everything they need in one place. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From the main workspace, navigate to the area called Beginner Campaign. This might be in a specific space or folder that your team uses for marketing or project work. Use the left-hand navigation to find the Beginner Campaign section and open it so you can see the list of items inside. Next, look for the item called One Campaign Brief and click on it. This is a task or document where you'll be adding your attachment. When you click it, Wrike will open a detailed view, usually in a panel on the right side of your screen or in a new view depending on your layout. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct brief, especially if your team uses similar naming across multiple campaigns. Inside the campaign brief, look for the area where you can add an attachment. On screen, this is usually presented as an attachment icon, a small plus sign, or a clearly marked button near the description or comment section. In our guide, this is shown as a highlighted area. Go ahead and click on that highlighted attachment option. A small menu will appear giving you different sources for your file. Here, choose Your Computer. This tells Wrike that you want to upload a file directly from your local device rather than from cloud storage or another integration. When you click Your Computer, your File Explorer will open. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or another operating system, browse to the file you want to attach. It could be a brief, an image, a spreadsheet, or any supporting document your team needs. Select the file, then confirm your choice in the File Explorer. Once you've done that, Wrike will show your file ready to upload, and you'll see an option to send or confirm. Click on Send to start the upload. If Wrike asks you to confirm again, simply click Send once more. After a moment, your attachment will appear within the campaign brief, and your team will be able to view or download it directly from there.